Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you're fine, enjoying life well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some beautiful crochet gloves designs. I hope viewers you like this video. Watch this video till end to get more information about crochet gloves. Viewers, if you want more information and more video like this, then viewers also share this video with your relatives so they also gain information from this video. Viewers, fingerless crochet gloves is very easy to make if you know about crochet work. But if you are beginners, then viewers, there are some first step fingerless crochet gloves for you. For example, simple fingerless gloves. They are a great option for beginners. They are easy to make and can be customized with different colors and patterns. Drip fingerless crochet gloves. These are a bit more advanced than single fingerless crochet gloves, but they are still relatively easy to make. The driving gives them a bit of stretch and make them more comfortable to wear. Open work fingerless gloves. They are a great way to show off your crochet skill. If you know about crochet work, then you wear these gloves is very easy to make and very comfortable, and it is able to wear both in summer and winter. Lightweight and airy, perfect for wearing in warm weather. Color block fingerless gloves. They are a fun and stylish way to add some personality to your outfit. You can choose any color that you like and arrange them in a way that you want. They are sturdy and thick crochet gloves. Dainty fingerless crochet gloves. These are a great way to add a touch of elegance to your outfit. They are made with a fine yarn and delicate stitches, and they are perfect for special occasion. Viewer, if you want more ideas like this and more information from my voiceover, then also leave the comment below about it, that how much you gain information from this video, and give a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, press bell icon and press option all to like my daily routine video that I have given you daily on my YouTube channel. Not only designing ideas but also tutorial. Take care. Allah.